Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Jess. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this eye look if you have hooded eyes. If you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. Alright, so let's start with the ColourPop No Filter concealer in the color Pharaoh 8. So what you want to do is put it on your eyelid just a little bit, a couple little dabs like that. Since I already did my full face, I'm going to use my Beauty Blender, which is already has product in it. So what I'm going to do is tap in the product. And what I'm going to do is put a little bit more. I want to get rid of all the purple on my eyelid. All that color. Alright. There we go. And now that it's all over your eyelid, what I'm going to use is a little Beauty Puff sponge, and it has some translucent powder already. So what I'm going to do is go back in there with the Beauty Blender and then just tap it in with the powder. And the translucent powder I used, it is the Air Spun translucent powder to set it. So the trick is when you have hooded eyes, do not open your eyes because then you'll cause creases, and that's what we're trying to avoid, is to cause a crease. All right, so now that the eyelid is set, I'm gonna go in with this brush, and it's Bdellium Tools 762. And what I'm gonna use today for my eyes is the Huda Beauty palette. And I'm gonna go in with the color, let's see, Sandalwood. You know what? No, let's go in with Cocoa. I'm gonna go in with Cocoa today. I'm feeling a little cocoa-ish right there. So what I'm gonna do is use that. Right. So what I'm gonna do is go in with Cocoa. And what I'm gonna do is kind of vision where I want my crease to be. And like I said, my crease is here, which is very, very low. So I'm gonna kind of do it right here. I want it right here. Yeah, it's gonna look a little funky, but we're gonna blend it, don't worry. It's not gonna stay like this forever. All right, so there. I want my line to be right there. So what I'm gonna do with the fluffy brush, I wanna brush it out. So what I'm gonna do is go in with this fluffy crown brush. I don't know if there's a number on there. It's a SS027. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of blend it out a little. I love this palette. It's so cute. Okay. There you go. So you kind of know where your line is. So what you can do is go back with Cocoa again and use this fluffy crown brush, or any fluffy brush. Kind of put more product in there and blend it in. Alright, do you see the difference when you have your eyeshadow done? How you could see the hooded area on my eyes right there. See that? Kind of makes my eye pop out more. So if you have that and you're suffering from hooded eyes like me, and you want your eyes to pop, go higher than your crease line. Don't be scared to use color. Don't be scared to go a little higher. Just don't go all the way up to here. Just enough. Because you want the color to show. Because I used to put my eyeshadow down here and like just put a little bit here because I knew that's where my crease was. But when I would, you know, open my eyes, you couldn't really see the color. So all that work was for nothing. So kind of just go back in there and don't be scared. There we go. Look how pretty. Yay. All right. So there it is. Okay. Perfect. All right. So now we're going to go in with a different color in there. So what I'm going to do is I want to now do my actual line again. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my Bdellium Tools 936 brush. Looks like this. All right, and I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Cosmetics again concealer. So what I want to do is I put some behind my hand, just a little bit. So I put a little bit of product, just a little bit on the brush. And what you want to do now is now you want to see where you want that color to be, and this is very important. Do not open your eye because you will cause creases and it'll just throw the whole thing off. So let's do that. So I go above. There you go. So I kind of know where I'm going. So I'm going to go back in with some more product. And I'm going to go back in and put some more. And just go back in and get more. Okay, and what I like about this brush is that I can just flatten it out a little. See? Perfect. So now, oh, look at that. All right. There we go. You see that? All right, so now what I'm gonna do is talk to you like this because I'm not gonna open my eye all the way. I don't want to ruin it. Now, all right, so now that your concealer is on the lid, you're gonna go in with a flat brush again, but this one's a little fluffy, and this is a 777 Bdellium Tools. It's a lucky 7. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the color for this eye look. Ooh, we can do something pretty. We can go in with, let's do bubbly. So we'll go in with bubbly, which is that one, right? No, I'm sorry, this one right here, bubbly. All right, so we're gonna go in with bubbly, and now that's in there. We're gonna all right, so there we go. So now that we have the product on there and we feel bubbly, just like the eyeshadow, like I said, you're gonna push it on there. There you go. So there it is. So you can keep putting on product. Like I said, the more you put on there, it's awesome. Doesn't matter, but it makes it pop. All right, so what you're gonna do is we're gonna go back in, and this time we're gonna go again with this little baby right here, the little angle brush, and we're gonna go back in with Cocoa. And what we're gonna do is go back and try to form that line again, just a little bit, just lightly. again, just because we don't want to lose that area. We want to make sure that you can still see that, hey, maybe my eyelid is that big. Hey, I don't have hooded eyes. I think once you know your face and your eyes and what looks good on you and what works for you, then, you know, it's just like looks so much better on your face and everything just falls into place in your life. All right, so I go back in there. You see, I just don't want it to just be like a line, you know. We're not gonna keep that there. So go back in there with the fluffy put the fluffy brush, go back in there and go with Cocoa and just go in there again. How pretty. All right. I love it. I'm really enjoying this color. And Huda Beauty did such a good job with this palette. Oh, just love the colors. All right. Just keep going. All right. And then go back in one more time with the brush and go back with the color Bubbly and just kind of put more on your lid again. Oh, there we go. Because I'm feeling bubbly. All right, so now that your eyes look like this, all right, you're gonna go in and you're gonna go get another brush. And I like this little brush, and it's a crown brush, SS01212 Deluxe Crease. And I'm gonna pick up a different color, and this time I'm gonna pick in Henna. It's this little orangey color. Just a little bit. What I wanna do is use that as my little color on the side, kind of like give a little ombre look. See that? See? Just like that. There you go. Yep, we're about to catfish some people. Like, hey, my eyes ain't small. There you go. There we go. Ta-da! Look at that. All right. Womanizer, oh, womanizer. All right, so look at that. So what I'm gonna do is go in with another fluffy brush, and this is, I know it's my MAC brush, but the brand, sorry, the logo is not there anymore. So what I'm gonna do now is kind of clean it up a little. See? There we go. Just clean it up. And you see how I got some on here? I'll clean that up as well. And if you have any fallout, that powder, translucent powder, just swip it away. I promise you it works. All right, so now that we completed the eye, you can also use a highlighter to highlight your brow bone. So what I'm gonna use is the Becca Champagne Pop with this little fluffy brush 783. Okay, so what you wanna do is put some on there and just put some on that. Kind of pop it out. Ta-da! All right, so what I'm gonna do is finish my other eye, put on my lashes and my eyeliner, and then I will be back with the final look. All right, guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know what video you want me to upload next as well, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.